When your baby starts weaning, the important thing to remember is milk is still a really important source of nutrition. So for the first week or two, it's all about just offering tiny tastes, ideally of vegetables in variety, and don't worry too much about how much your baby is eating because milk is still providing all of that great nutrition for your little one. Once they move on and are confidently eating a few spoonfuls a day, you can start to increase the amounts of food that you're offering. This will usually be around the age of about 6.5 months or so. Still bear in mind that milk is a really important source of nutrition, so make sure your baby's getting around 600 mils or more of their usual milk a day. Around the age of 7 months or so, you'll probably find that your baby's having about a bowl full a day. Really be led by your baby and go with your instincts. At this stage, babies don't need snacks from a nutritional perspective, but finger foods are a really good way for them to learn different gripping skills, learn hand-eye coordination, and it helps them learn to regulate their appetite as well. So while snacks aren't important nutritionally, finger foods given at meal times can really help your baby's development. So how do you know when your baby's had enough to eat? You'll find that your baby's appetite will change from one day to the next, and this is completely normal. They might be having a growth spurt, so they might want to eat a lot more, or you might find they're teething, feeling a little bit unwell or tired, and they're just not so interested in food. It's what your baby eats over a week or two rather than a day or two that's important. So just make sure you're offering lots of variety. Your baby will let you know when they've had enough by turning their head away from the spoon, for example. They might push the spoon away, push the bowl away, or start holding food in their mouth or spitting it out. If you found this has happened about 3 times, it's usually time to end the meal and then try again later if you feel like your baby's not had enough.